Okay, so let's look at the solution for this problem. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to ask the user for two strings. That seems easy enough. User or let's call this string underscore 1, and that will be input. And let's follow the pattern which says enter a string. Okay, notice I'm using double quotes for this particular problem just because I want to. Okay, and then string underscore 2 will be input, enter a string. Great. Now let's compare the user's two strings. So we're going to say result will be string underscore 1, the same as or is equals to string underscore 2, right? And we know that this will tell us either true or false. So we now print the result where we say print are your strings equal? Question mark. Well, let's put a space, and we know we're going to have an answer. Let's say dot format result. Alright, so let's test this. If I enter something like apple and something like blue, it should tell me error. Not exactly what we wanted. Okay, so this tells us that it's saying bool object is not callable. Okay, and you can clearly see that I added these two parentheses to the name of the function, to the name of the result or the variable, which is incorrect. Alright, so it's just something that Python made a mistake with, so we can easily fix that. Remember, always make sure that the variable name does not have anything attached to it. Okay, so we can easily fix that. Alright, and let's try again. Alright, so it seems to be working. Enter a string, apple, enter another string, blue, and now it works. Are your strings equal? False. Let's run this again. Let's enter a string such as I, okay, and small I, and it tells us false. So right away we notice that the case of the strings we enter are important. Okay, so let's try again. Let's say U, and let's do U, and it tells us they are equal. Okay, so one final time for this test. I and I, and it's true. Great, so this is a solution or one possible solution for Test Your Learning 1. In next video, we look at the problem or the requirements for Test Your Learning 2. See you then.